Hi, I'm Jordan, my cameraman Devin.
Hi.
Right now I'm doing a trick called Card in Black Box, which I just named it. I don't know the real name for it, but I'm calling it Card in Black Box. Because there's a card, which is this card. No gimmicks, no tricks. And if you've seen any of our previous episodes, you will know that we're the creators and all that stuff of our website. I'm just gonna turn it, and it should be like that, right?
Yep.
What was your card again?
The Ace of Spades.
Are you sure? Because this isn't the Ace of Spades. Okay, let's see. Hold on, let me see for real. It's the Ace of Spades, right?
Yep.
Well, I can change it.
No, you can't. That's not the Ace of... Wait, what?
Ace of Diamonds. Well, that is... And I can also turn it back. Nothing. No other cards. That was Card in Black Box. Mind freak. Ah!